See the fencing here? Nicely lightweight built with aluminum, with wire. We want wire so you can watch in and you can ventilate through. Some countries you have some regulations. You need to have closed fencing. We also can provide that, but in general we prefer open fencing for the birds. Here we see the pop holes. Some like to sit in the wind. So in the morning, after the main egg-laying period, these pop holes will open automatically and birds will have access to the outdoor area. Here you can see how they can go outside. Here you see all the pop holes where the birds have access to the outside area. Outside area is really huge. You see how they cut the lawn. They keep it short. They like playing around, eating, digging. There you also have a shot of two of our Endura fans. 57-inch fans with damper doors. And in this area, you see the doghouse and you see the tunnel doors. These are the new big ChoreTime tunnel doors. The panels got bigger to make easier and quicker installation. And that's how we ventilate. Okay, here we are at the back of the house. And here we find our Endura 57 fans. High quality fans, low power intake, last forever these things. With just a little bit of maintenance, they run forever and they will pull out a lot of air with not that much energy input.